Welcome back. Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff here, so I'm just gonna come around and get to unmolding because I have somewhere to be. I want to start with this because this is something new I'm working on, and I'm hoping. Oh yeah. Okay, all that glitter did not need to behave like that, but look, yes, we got edges, and it did stick. I was nervous. Oh, and it comes out easy. Yes. Okay, this was like literally a shot in the dark, and I was like, I hope this works. Oh, that comes out so easy. Oh, perfect. Okay, so of course I'm gonna do an after so you can see what it looks like when I'm done with it. But this is a plant tray. I can actually show y'all one of my plants real quick. Actually. Oh no, baby, don't fall. See, you just put it there, and then I'll put thingy so we can hang it, and yeah. Okay, I'm actually not mad. This is a good size for like smaller plants. But yeah, that's numero uno. Let me put this off to the side. I am so glad these freaking worked as seamlessly as and I was kind of nervous too, like, oh my gosh, what if it doesn't stick? But it stuck to the silicone, and that's what really matters. All right, this one is supposed to give like a beach house vibe. Oh, and does. Oh, I don't even have to go over it. I thought I was gonna have to go over it with more resin because it looked like this one might have like shut out, been like stuck to the, what you call it, to the silicone mold. Oh, I love this. Because they were supposed to like protrude a little bit, but like this is even better than I anticipated. Some of them shifted though. Obviously this one shifted because it's not supposed to be in there, but I love this. The green didn't mix in properly in some areas, but it definitely is giving an ocean beach housey vibe. This makes me so happy. Okay, I do need to go over just one little layer of resin on the inside here because I see some imperfections, but we can do that quick. But this is the one I was really worried about, like these. This makes me so happy. Okay, so put that there. And Old Faithful, do I want to, we're gonna do it. Y'all know these give me all the grief. Cup molds, they be trying to take me out. Y'all know they be trying to take me out. These are probably like my least favorite trays to unmold. This definitely needs to sit a little longer. Y'all see it bending, but it can finish hardening on its own. It's been sitting for, my God. It's been sitting for about 2 days now, but it should be fine. Oh, all right, there we go. Oh yeah, it looks exactly how it's supposed to. Black and gold. Yes. And we got some gold flakes on the inside and on the top part here. Listen, it took me some work to get the flakes in there. Boy, I would say something that stressed me out. Stress. Okay, let's get the top part of this. Oh, yeah, I really, they gotta find a better way. I gotta find a better way. Am I the only person complaining about this? Because I can't be. Ooh. Yeah, here we are. This looks so good. So good. I gotta drill out the middle, as you can see. But so good. And I clean off the edge. But this, yeah, girl. There's something up. See that? Yeah. And okay, so the intention was to have gold in all the holders because this one doesn't glow in the dark. Kind of, sort of, but like I said, it was hard to get the stuff in there. This one though, this one is doing what it was supposed to. That one looks good. That one looks really good. Oh yeah, we gotta dig out the middle, clean up the middle and the edges on that. Same for this one, it looks like, because I see this one molded all the way around the opening. Trying not to cut myself with this like I usually do. Okay, we got the, see, this one's harder. Wasn't it the same? I'm starting to think it's what I put in it that makes it softer, because it's the same batch. These came from the same batch, but here we are with the brown and gold. Let me get the, what you call it, the cup part open. Oh, literal exercise. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, see, this one's harder. So it's harder to come out. The soft, when it's like, oh, jeez. When they're not as hard, it's easier to come out because the mold will bend with you. But here we are. Here's the cup. And we got some up on the top here. And we didn't really get any here. This looked like it slid down. But our holders have gold accents. We have accents inside and on the outside. Try to make it, you know, go all the way around. This looks more like glitter than flakes because this was the first one I did, obviously. So it was like a struggle trying to get it in there. But come back around. It's hot as hell under this hair. I'm like sweating right now. But I'm so excited about these because like this one specifically, like, yeah girl, yeah. But these two requests and this, they're all going the same place. This one is just a passion project. I had extra resin left over after doing these two. I had to do this one separate. So yeah, this one's, I think I figured out what it is. I know what I'm gonna do because this one, like this is, yeah, this one is gonna take longer to harden, but super excited. Can't wait to finish this, and I'm going to take my pictures of these and can't wait to finish, put my last layer on this and get it out. Bye. Oh wait, I'm supposed to say stuff. Just like everything else we do with Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.